once again, it's Tech, and thank you for choosing this video. If today is your first time watching my video, you're welcome and I love you guys. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 best ways that you can make money online in this year 2023. Yes, we have to make money online this year 2023. Even if you haven't make money online this year, after watching this video, you are going to make money online. So watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any important information or important tip that I'm going to show in this video. So the first thing that I'll talk about on how you can make money online is by selling other people's products. Well, when you say selling other people's product, means that you don't own the product, okay, and you're not going to use your own money to buy the product. But what you are going to do is that you are going to advertise other people's products on your social media platforms, and you are going to get the sales. So what are you going to do in order to get the sales? Now, look area and decide any of the products that you want to sell. There are a lot of shops there, a lot of people doing a lot of things there. They are selling. There are people making wigs, people sell phones, people sell TVs, fridges. So just go to them, sit down with them, talk to them that you want to market their product on your social media platform because you have a lot of followers. Okay, so you want to take the pictures of their product and post it on your social media platform. Then just tell them this and ask for the price of each of the item that you want to promote. Okay, now after getting the price, just post this product on your WhatsApp status, Instagram post, Facebook account, or TikTok. Okay, now definitely you are going to get a call or a message from someone who needs that particular item, and when the person buys, you get your money. So this is one of the best way that you can make money in 2023. Okay, the next one that I'll talk about is creating content creation. This is one of the best way of making money online. Okay, if you have talent, you have a talent of teaching people how to do things, you have a talent of doing things, somebody have a talent of making people to laugh. So if you have these talents, just put this together, upload this video on your platforms like YouTube or Facebook. Okay, and when you meet their threshold, you are going to just monetize this platform, and you are going to get a lot of money from this platform. My number 3, before I move on to the number 3, if you are still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. My number 3 is selling or buying things at a less price and sell it when the price go high. So this is what I'm going to do. This particular one is going to be on those, or if you're a beginner, just get Binance account. You can check the description of this video. I have a link there. You can use that link to create your Binance account, and then you'll be getting 10% discount on any trading that you are going to do on Binance by using my link to register. Now we have a lot of coin, USDT, we have Bitcoin. I have heard that one Bitcoin was like 1 Ghana cedi in 2010, 2011. But as at now, 1 Bitcoin costs 30,000 Ghana cedi. Okay, so that's why we need to take advantage of this by buying Bitcoin. When we see that the price has fallen, just have to buy at least 100, 200 cedis of Bitcoin and keep it. By 10 years time, these 1 cedi, these 50 cedis, these 20 cedis that you bought will be multiplied by 10 or 20, and through that you are going to get a lot of money from this part. And aside that, you can make use of this, buy at less price and sell at low price. You can also go to the market and look for things and buy quality things. Just come and upload it on your social media platform, and then you get someone who needs that item. You sell to the person at a higher price. So this is how you can make money online in this year 2023. If you are with me on this channel, this is what I'm going to do for you guys. If today is your first time, please subscribe, like, comment and share. See you. Bye.